Hello, my name is Klav Sipitis and I am a research fellow at the Economic and Social Research Institute in Ireland. And together with my colleagues at the ESRI, we are working with the CHAISE partners on the EU strategy on digital transformation that is both beneficial to the society and businesses as well as economic growth developments. ESRI's role in this CHAISE project is to provide expert advice and analysis of economic environments in regards to labor economics. So far, ESRI has been involved in different skills intelligence gathering activities, as well as producing a report on blockchain skills demand in Europe. I will provide to you more information on the key findings from that report, which you can also find on the CHAISE website in the publications section. ESRI was a task leader on the report on the blockchain skills demand in Europe. Working with other partners, other CHAISE partners, appropriate job adverts were investigated to identify the demand for blockchain-related skills, as well as an online survey was implemented and over 300 responses are received from employers and workers and employees in the blockchain sector. And further in-depth interviews were conducted to find greater insights in the blockchain skills at demand. The results suggest that the blockchain-intensive industries are in the information communications technology, financial services, and education. The recruiter profile suggests who are the primary recruiters of blockchain-related skills that employees possess. So 74% of 74% of recruiters are from blockchain service providers, 22% are blockchain service users, while another 5% or less are a combination of both providers and users. In terms of the jobs profile for what kind of employees these companies are looking for, we find that 37% are blockchain developers. The companies are looking for blockchain engineers, which represent 20% of the jobs market, 9% consultants and analysts, and 7% would be managers in blockchain-related activities. In terms of the blockchain employee, over 300 online survey responses were examined, and the following key results are found. That the majority of the new employees in blockchain-related activities were typically male under 35 years old. This falls in line with our knowledge that the STEM field is largely characterized as a male-dominated field. And further, over 2/3 of firms reported less than 20% of workers in their organizations being women working in blockchain. We also find in terms of education that 23% of the blockchain employees have an undergraduate degree and another 65% have a postgraduate degree. So blockchain-related area and workers are highly educated individuals, but they are mainly coming from a computer science background. So despite high levels of education among existing blockchain employees, over 40% of job adverts did not specify minimum education requirements. So this led us to believe that employers place greater emphasis on the professional skills and labor market experience rather than their academic credentials. And over 1/3 of jobs were open to new or inexperienced labor market entrants. Now, this does not mean that education was not important. Educated individuals were in high demand, and employers recognized that the training and education are specifically on blockchain-related skills are important, and that this needs to be developed further throughout Europe. When examining the blockchain skills that are highly in demand and looking at the blockchain architects, blockchain developers, and blockchain managers as the primary occupations of these skills, technical skills, business skills, and transversal skills were identified as the most important. For blockchain architects, in terms of technical skills, blockchain solution design, data network security design, cloud and infrastructure design were the most important skills. For blockchain architects, business skills such as skills for blockchain use case studies, as well as product development and business analysis were very important. And in terms of transversal skills, innovation, creativity skills, systems network thinking, design thinking, and competence were important. For blockchain developers, programming and coding in different kinds of platforms were important. Front and back end development was important, and smart contract development is a very important skill. In terms of business skills for blockchain developers, marketing skills, finance and controlling skills, as well as human resource development skills were very important. And for transversal skills, cooperation competence, self-efficacy, self-confidence, and communication were very important. For blockchain managers, in terms of technical skills, blockchain solution design, data analysis, and user experience design were the most important to understand. For blockchain managers, in terms of business skills, the business analysis as well as skills in legal and compliance matters were very important, and business development skills were also important. For business managers, in terms of transversal skills, communication, future mindset and willingness to change, as well as cooperation and competence were very important for appropriate blockchain skills and manager. From more in-depth interviews with employers in blockchain-related activities, we find the following quotes that kind of summarize how do employers feel. So from in-depth interviews, the employers highlight the shortage of blockchain-related skills and candidates for such positions. Developers and user experience designers are already rare, and as blockchain is a specialization, it makes the blockchain employee even rarer. There's also a need for a variety of roles and therefore skills in the industry. And so more specifically, how to combine consulting and business activities and technological parts is also very important to consider. Well, the important blockchain skills appear to be the experience in programming skills, web development, and eagerness to learn. In terms of future progress, there is an understanding that increasing specialization will be required due to technological progress in larger and more diverse application areas. For more information on the blockchain skill demand, please see the report on the CHAISE website in the publications subheading. I would also like to take this opportunity to briefly mention the next chapter or work package in the CHAISE project in which ESRI is going to be heavily involved, which is work package 3, forecasting framework for the anticipation of future blockchain skill needs. So in this work package, ESRI is going to work with the other CHAISE partners to forecast the blockchain skills demand and supply for the forthcoming year. So this will be repeated on an annual basis each year until 2024 in order to forecast skills needs for the following year. For more updates and publications and information on the CHAISE project as well as the work package, please see the CHAISE website and follow us on social media. Thank you.